Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you verify YouTube account on mobile. To verify YouTube account on mobile, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is actually you want to go ahead and make sure to open up your browser. You cannot do it from the application, so type in studio.youtube.com and log into your account. So here this is going to be my account, and once I'm logged in, it's going to take me to the studio section. Now this is going to be quite difficult for you guys to view. You could actually go ahead and select it to desktop side. So click on continue to studio from the bottom of the page, and it's going to take you to this section, right? So here you want to come to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to zoom in, and you could see this gear icon. You simply want to click on it. This is going to be located in the bottom left hand side corner, and here you have this section. So what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on channel, and then you have this section, right? So here you want to go to feature eligibility, and then in my case I've actually enabled the features or standard feature as well as intermediate features, right? If you have not done it, so you want to simply go ahead and click on this link in order to enable, and then you have to go ahead and make sure to verify your phone number, and it's going to send you a two-step verification code, all that, and that is how it's going to work out. And for the number 3, that is advanced feature, right? You could also go ahead and make sure to enable it. I've not actually done it. I'm actually eligible, so what I'm going to do is click on eligible, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go ahead and select it, and that is the way you could go ahead and make sure to verify YouTube account on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.